Hey internet, I am the professor and right now I am taking responsibility to tell you some amazing information on various topics. So, without wasting time, let's jump into it. Number 1. Stonehenge. Stonehenge on Salisbury Plain in England is one of the most visited monuments of the prehistoric world. More than 1 million tourists visited this site per year. People are surprised to see such a big giant rock placed around each other in a specific manner. Stonehenge is a massive stone monument situated on the north of Salisbury, England. Each standing stone was around 13 feet high, almost 7 feet wide, and weighed around 25 tons. Research done by archaeologists shows that the structural monument that was built between roughly 5000 and 4000 years ago from nowadays. But what is the motive behind creation of this giant rock structure? From decades of research and study, scientists propose theory that this site considered to be a sacred place or place of prayer or a temple where only some class of elite people can perform rituals. Other theory tells that there may be a link about astronomical observatory or a big experimental lab works for the purpose associated with lunar or solar calendar. Scientists and archaeologists are not sure about exact purpose of Stonehenge or maybe they have difference of opinion. Archaeologists proposes a different theory with assumption, but one thing is extraordinary that how those giant rocks are placed stand still and how those rocks place upon each other. Number 2. Who is this guy? I know you have watched Money Heist series on Netflix, but do you really know what is the real deal with this mask? His name is Salvador Dali. Salvador Dali is one of the fantastic artists in the 20th century. His trademark style is his curly mustache and weird surprise eye expression. His full name is Salvador Domingo Felipe Jacinto Dali Domenech. Quite difficult to remember for a non-Spanish guy. Dali was born on 11th of May 1904 in Figueres, Spain. In his paintings, he mainly focuses on dreams and uses his imagination to express his ideas. Dali was an unpredictable showman and he once gave a lecture in an attire of deep sea diving suit. Dali died on 23rd of January 1989 due to heart disease and buried at Delhi Museum in Figueres, Spain. Number 3. Most visited country in the world. Answer is France. France is mainly focus for fashion, food, wine, and but of course the Eiffel Tower. And it's one of the hottest tourist destination for whole world. France have beautiful museums and churches. Its rich culture make this country at number 1 position. Now moving to number 4. Oh wait, sorry, hiccups. So our next topic is same hiccups. So we all had hiccups somewhere around the time and it lasts till we intake sufficient amount of water or maybe till minutes or in rare cases up to couple of hours. But there is a man whose name is Charles Osborne of Iowa, state of USA in 1992. Osborne was 28 years old. While working, he is accidentally or unknowingly damaged the respiratory muscle in his chest, which is important in breathing mechanism of human body. He started to hiccup and those hiccups didn't stop for next 68 years. Yes guys, 68 years. At the start, hiccups rate is 40 per minute, but later on it slowed down to 20 hiccups per minute. Osborne suddenly stopped hiccuping in February 1990 and later on he died after 1 year. He holds the world record of longest hiccups up to 68 years. Number 5. Who is that YouTuber who can buy YouTube? Answer is Bill Gates. Yes guys, Bill Gates actually having a capability to use his money to buy a YouTube as a product or a service. Number 6. Strange but iconic incidents. Ancient Egyptian people knew about the universe and science. We believe that they are far ahead of time. Here, what I have is exact coordinates of the Great Pyramids of Giza. Is 29.9792458 north. Also, we knew that speed of light is 299,792,458 meter per second, and these both are the exact same value. I don't know what this is. Our whole world is a math puzzle, or it's just another unexplained coincidence. Number 7. Finder machine. When tragedies like earthquake happen, it is very difficult to find people who are under wreckage of collapsed building. To overcome this situation, NASA developed the software program which runs on the basis of radar technology named as Finder. Finder stands for Finding Individuals for Disaster and Emergency Response. It is specialized technology invented by NASA. Finder is used for detection of person or animal in disaster or earthquake scenario. It is able to detect a person or animal by his heartbeat and breathing. It was used to search lives in Nepal earthquake. Number 8. Country flag. We generally see flag of different countries like USA, Russia, China, India. All countries have a rectangular flag. But what if I say there is one country whose flag is not rectangular in shape? That country name is Nepal, and Nepal flag is look like this. The shape of flag represents the mountains of Himalaya in Nepal region. Number 9. Horrific island, especially for snakes. Snake is one of the deadly reptile on the planet Earth. Generally, we distinguish the snake as a venomous or non-venomous. Snake found in mainland Brazil is not a big deal, but Ilha da Queimada Grande is the island which located towards the Atlantic coast of Brazil, and this particular island is the homeland of near about 3000 lancet viper snake. A single bite of viper snake will kill you in less than 60 minutes. This is why Brazilian government put strict ban on visiting the island. Number 10. Which country likes reading a book? Reading book is a very good habit. Some people makes a habit of reading a book on daily basis. Reading from book is way better than reading from a mobile screen or a computer screen. But do you know that which country reads the most? Answer is India. Indian reads a lot, followed by Thailand and China. According to study and research, Indians spend more than 10 hours per week on reading, which is very good thing. Maybe this is one of the reasons that they are more competitive in exams. Number 11. Driest place on earth. The driest place on earth is Atacama Desert in Chile. There is a site named as Maria Elena, and this site only a small number of bacteria found. This site somewhat matches to the surface of planet Mars. Number 12. Mysterious event or pure coincidental accident. It was the day in a month of October in a year 1998. Two clubs in Congo are against each other for a football match in the eastern province of Kasai region. Both teams named as Bena Shadi and Basanga. When both teams at scores level 1-1, suddenly mysterious event happened. The lightning from sky struck the football field and unfortunately killed 11 football players on the ground. But the shocking and mysterious thing is that the players who got killed are from same team. Yes guys, what you heard is right. The Lightnings killed all players from Benashadi, while the players of Basanga did not suffer at all. A lot of football teams from Central and Western Africa are always accused of experimenting witchcraft on their opponents. Here we are going to stop. Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate your time. Please like the video, share it with your family and friends, subscribe the YouTube channel and press the bell notification icon, and type in the comment section that I subscribe so that I can track my records of maintaining good quality content. Thanks for watching.